Dear children, it is a next part of the chapter surface areas and volumes. Now let us start the exercise 1 of the chapter. Let us solve the problems in that exercise. The first question is a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. Second one, the cost of the sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 square cost rupees 20. Now here what is the shape of the box? As length, breadth and height are separate, it is a cuboidal box. This box has a shape of cuboid. So you take the solution here. Solution. We have a plastic box of L. L means this is L 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter and H is, you take B first. Before taking H you take B, that is the breadth. Breadth equals this one 1.25 meter, wide that is 1.25 meter and H equals how much? 0, that is a 65 centimeter. Deep means here height. So you take, that is H equals 65 centimeter. Here the length and breadth are in meters. So you convert this centimeter to meter. How will you convert this centimeter to meter? You know that 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. So you divide it by 100. That becomes how much? 0.65 meter. Now here what you have to find out? We have to find the surface area of the plastic sheet required for making the box. And one thing is given that it is opened at the top. Here we have to find the total surface area of the box. But one thing is given that it is opened at the top. So here bases are not 2 bases, only 1. So you consider that the total surface area, if all the faces are there, means that becomes TSA equals 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Then but here what happens? Only one LB is there. So you can take LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. That is the lateral surface area of the cuboid plus the surface area of the one base, because there is no top, the top is open. So you take LB and the remaining 4 surfaces areas are 2BH plus 2HL. Then you write here L is 1.5 plus 1.25, then plus write 2 into BH, B is 1.25 into H is 0.65 plus 2 into HL is H is 0.65 and also L is 1.5. Now you find the product of these two. Then what is the product of these two? So you take that 125 into 15. Then 15 5 is 75. 15 2 is 30. 30 plus 7, 37. And 15 on the 15. 15 plus 3, 18. Then here 1, 2, 3. 3 digits we have to take after the decimal point. Then it becomes 1.875. You got the product of these two is 1.875 plus then the product of these three. So you write that 125 into 65 you take first, then 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12 and 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6 plus 6 5s are 30 and 6 2s are 12 12 plus 3 15 1 carry and 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7. Then it becomes 5 2 6 plus 5 11 and you got 8 1 2 5, but the decimal points here 1 2 3 4, so it becomes 0.8125 into 2 you do, then it becomes 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 8 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 8 2s are 16. Then it becomes how much? 1.6250. 1.6250. Then next one you take. Then you find 60. The product of these two you have to get 65 into 15. 15 5s are 75. 15 6 are 90 plus 7 97 and into 2 that is 5 2s are 10 1 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15 1 carry, 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19 and here the digits are 1 2 and 3, so it becomes 1.950. 1.950. Now here we have to find the sum of these three, so you take them one below the other. 1.875, 1.6250 and 1.950. That becomes 5 plus 5 10, 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 7 15, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 16 plus 8 24. That becomes 5.45. How much you got? That equals 5.45 m square. Therefore you write area of sheet required to make the box or for making box equals how much? That is 5.45 meter square. That is the answer for the first question. Second, sheet measuring 1 m square cost ₹20. Therefore, sheet measuring 5.45 m square cost. So, you take cost of the sheet required. Sheet required equals, you write how much? 20 into 5.45. So you write 545 into 20, that is 25 is 100, 24 is 80 plus 10 90 and 25 is 100 plus 9 109. So you got that here 2 digits are there, that is equals to 109 rupees. 109, right? That equals rupees 109. How much? What is the cost of sheet required? That is rupees 109. Now let us take the next question. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. It means this is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of 7.50 per m square. You know that the room will be in the shape of cuboid, and here for whitewashing we have to leave the floor. Only we have to take the roof and the 4 walls. Again here what you have to leave, that you have to leave one base, so 1 LB will be less here. That is the same type question as in the first. Then you write what are given here, write solution. Then L equals, we have room of L equals 5 meter, this is L, and B equals 4 meter, B equals 4 meter, and H equals 3 meter. You write that H equals 3 meter. Then you find surface area of the room. Surface area of room, again it will be 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL, but one floor we have to leave here. Floor is not to be whitewashed. So we write that surface area of room equals 1, that is roof LB, and the 4 walls are 2BH plus 2HL. LB means only one, that is the roof, not floor. Here we have to leave the floor. Therefore only 5 surfaces are there, that is 4 walls and roof. Here we have to whitewash the floor, that is LB, and the 4 walls, the lateral surface area becomes 2BH plus 2HL. Then you write the formula and substitute the values. LB means, that is L is 5, B is 4, 5 into 4 it is, plus, and also you take 2 into B, B is 4, H is 3, plus 2 into H is 3, L is 5. This is 2BH, this is 2HL, that is the 4 walls, this is the roof. Then it becomes 5 4s are 20 plus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, plus 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Then you add 20, 24, 30. Then it is 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. Then you will get it is 74. That equals 74 m square. The area of the room to be whitewashed is equals to 74 m square. And next what is given here? Here we got the area, then cost of whitewashing the walls of the room we have to find out, and cost of whitewashing the room and the ceiling at the rate. The rate of whitewashing is 7 rupees 50 paise per m square. 7 rupees 50 paise per m square. Then you write total cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing equals 74, or you write 7.50 into 74. Rate of whitewashing is rupees 750 per m square, per meter square. Therefore here we got the area 74 meter square. As a rate rupees 50 paise, we have to find the cost of whitewashing of 74 m square. Then you multiply 750 into 74. So you write 400, 4 5s are 20 and 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. So you write 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 7s are 49 plus 3, 52. It is 5, 5, 5. So here the decimal point is after 2 digits. So here it comes 555. That equals what? 555 rupees. Rupees 555. That is the cost of whitewashing the 4 walls and roof. Therefore you write cost of whitewashing 4 walls and a roof is rupees 555. Rupees 555. Next let us take the third question. What is that question? The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 m. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square, it is rupees 10 per m square, is 15,000. Find the height of the hall. Hint is given here. Area of the 4 walls equals, that is nothing but lateral surface area. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250. What is given here? Perimeter of a rectangular hall is given. Then what is given here? Perimeter is given. Then you know the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. If you consider, so you write the solution. Consider L is the length. Length equals L and breadth equals H. B you take. Breadth equals B. And the height of the room equals. It is a rectangular hall. Let us take the length of the rectangular hall is L. That is the length you take. Length equals L. Let the rectangular hall of length, rectangular hall of length equals L, breadth equals B, and height equal H. Let us take. Now what is given? The perimeter of the floor is given. Perimeter of the floor is given. If it is in this shape, rectangle, if it is B, this is L, then the perimeter is given means that is 2L plus 2B is given. So you take what is given, perimeter equals 2L plus 2B, that is sum of all the sides, L plus B, 2L plus 2B, that equals 2 into L plus B equals what is given, 250 meter. 250 meter is given. So you can have L plus B equals what? 250 by 2, that is equals to how much? That is equals to, you take 125 meter. That is equals to what? 125 meter. In this question, what is given? Total cost of painting the hall is given, that is rupees 15,000, and the rate of costing is also given. And if you divide total cost divided by rate of costing, then you will get the area of the four walls of the rectangular hall. So you write here area of four walls equals how much? 15,000 divided by 10 you take. That is total cost divided by rate of cost. Cost of painting divided by rate of painting. Rate of painting. It equals cost of painting is 15,000 rupees divided by rate of painting is rupees 10. Take rupees 10, that you will get 0 cancels 1500 m square. 1500 m square is the area of four walls. So area of four walls in terms of L and B, you take area of four walls means LSA. Area of four walls equals what? Area of four walls equals 2 into LB we have to leave. That is 2 into LH plus BH. Here floor is to be leave. So you write that 2 into LH plus BH, that equals 2 into H into L plus B. Or you can write, 2 into L plus B, therefore you take, that becomes H into 2 into L plus B equals how much it is? 1500 m square. You got that area of the four walls is 1500 meter square, and according to formula it is H into 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into LH plus BH. And here, as you know, this here that is given, that becomes the perimeter of the base. That is the perimeter of the base or perimeter of the floor, and that becomes H into, that is H into, what is the value of this? That is the perimeter. It is 250. If you consider this is first, equals 1500. You write from first. So 2 into L plus B is 250 here. Then H equals what? 1500 by 250. So you got 0 cancels. 25 ones are 25 6 are. So H equals 6 meter. H equals 6 meter. Hence the height of the hall is 6 meter. Height of the hall is 6 meter. Here in this question, total cost of the painting is given and the rate of painting is given. If the total cost is divided by the rate of cost, then you will get the surface area of the four walls you will get. Then to get the height of the wall, you know that 2 into L plus B is 250 meter is there, and that is you got here and also area of the 4 walls becomes 2 into LH plus BH, which includes this H into 2 into L plus B, and H into 250 is this one. By using this relation, you will get the height of the hall. Now let us take the fourth question. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 m square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 cm into 10 cm into 7.5 cm can be painted out of this container? Here the total area that can be painted by using the paint in the container is given. Total area that can be painted by using the paint in the container is 9.375 m square, and the bricks are there. The length, breadth and height of the bricks are given. So what you have to find out? How many bricks can be painted by using this paint? That is to be find out here. So first you get the area of one brick, then total area that can be painted divided by area one brick gives the number of bricks can be painted. So you take. Now let us write the solution. First you find the surface area of the bricks, total surface area of the bricks you take for bricks. L equals 22.5 cm, B equals 10 cm and H equals 7.5 cm. Then you write TSA of the brick. TSA of the brick equal 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that equals 2 into L into B is 22.5 into 10 plus B into H is 10 into 7.5 plus HL is 7.5 into 22.5. Then you write 2 into 22.5 into 10 is 225 plus 10 into 7.5 is 75 plus 7.5 into 225. So you find 225 into 75. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, and 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, plus 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17, and 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. That is 5 plus 2 7 8 1 6. So you got here 1 2, that is 168.75. This is 168.75. 168.75. Now you write 2 into. Find the sum of all these. That is 225 plus 75, 168.75. 0 0 0 0 you write, that is 75. 5 5s are 10, 10 plus 8 18, and 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 2 16, and you will get that is 468.75. 468.75 into 2 into 2, that is 5 2s are 10, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry, 8 to 16 plus 1, 17, 1 carry, 6 to the 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry, 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9. So you will get the area, that is 0.2 is there, means put that becomes 937.50 cm square. And to convert it into meter square, because here total area that can be painted by the paint in the container is what, 9.375 m square. So you convert this into m square. You know that 100 centimeter equals 1 meter, and 100 into 100 cm into 100 cm equals meter square, 1 meter square. So you divide it by 937.50 divided by 100 into 100 into m square. Then it becomes 2 zeros here. So you take, again for 2 zeros you take 9.37, and that becomes extra 4 points to be shifted. So that is 93750. You put 0 here, that is 0.93750. It becomes m square. Because as there are 4 zeros, you must again shift 4 digits. Here there are 3 digits, one more digit we have to shift. Then next you take number of bricks that can be painted. Number of bricks can be painted equals, right, total area can be painted that divided by the TSA of brick, and total area can be painted is how much? 9.375 m square. 9.375 m square by 0.09375. You can leave this 0. Then to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can be shifted. Write 9375, and here 3 digits are, shift them, and extra 2 zeros you have to put. That is 93750. 3 digits, 3 for 3 digits, and 2 zeros for that 75. Totally you have to take 5 digits should be shifted to the integer place. Then it becomes 9375 ones are 9375 hundreds are, so it becomes 100 bricks. So how many bricks can be painted by the paint in the container? 100 bricks can be painted. 100 bricks can be painted by using the paint in the container. Next you take the fifth. Now the fifth question, a cubical box has each is 10 cm and another cuboidal box is 12.5 cm long, 10 cm wide and 8 cm height. which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? Second, which box has the smaller total surface area by how much? So you take here the solution. Here there are a cubical box and cuboidal box. So you take for cubical box. For cubical box, edge is given, that is A equals 10 centimeter. Find LSA and TSA for both that. Here LSA equals 4A square, that equals 4 into 10 square. 4 into 10 square is 100, that equals 400 cm square. Then TSA is, you know that is 6A square. 6A square, that equals 6 into 10 square. 6 into 100, that equals 600 cm square. And you take the cuboidal box, find LSA and TSA. For cuboidal box, so L is 12.5. L is 12.5 centimeter and B is 10 centimeter and H is 8 centimeter. Here this is L, this is B, this is H. H is 8 centimeter. Find the LSA and TSA. LSA of box is, you take 2 2H into L plus B. 2H into L plus B, that is 2 into H is 8, L is 12.5 plus B is 10. This is H, this is L, this is B. Then it becomes, you take 2 8s are 16. 16, 12.5 plus 10 is 22.5. 22.5. Then it becomes 22.5 into 16. 16 5s are 80. 16 2s are 32 plus 8, 40. And 32 plus 4, 36. And here point is there, so it becomes 360. 360 cm square, that is the LSA. Next you get the TSA. TSA of cuboidal is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. LB plus BH plus HL. Then you write 2 into L. L is 12.5 into B is 10 plus BH. B means 10 into 8. 10 into 8 plus HL. HL means 8 into 12.5. Then it becomes 2 into 12.5 into 10 is 125 plus 10 8s are 80 plus 12.5 into 8, that is 8 5s are 40, 12 8s are 96 plus 4, 100. You will get 100.0, 100. Then it is 2 into the sum of these three, that is 125, 80, 100. It becomes 5, 8 plus 2, 10. You will get 305. 305 into 2. That is 5 2s are 10, 610 you will get. 610 cm square. Now you write the answer. What is the question? First, which box has the greater lateral surface area? Find the lateral surface area of cubical box and lateral surface area of cuboidal. That is 360, this is 400. So which is greater here? You know that 400 square is greater than 360. So you write for the first answer. 400 cm square is greater than 360 cm square. That is LSA of cube is greater than LSA of cuboid. Cuboidal box. Cuboidal box. The second answer. Second answer is what? Which box has the smaller total surface area and how much? Here how much is given? By how much it is? 400 cm square minus 360 cm square, you will get 40 cm square. Therefore you can write, what is that? LSA of cube is 40 cm square greater than LSA of cuboid. Next, second answer, which is having smaller total surface area. Here the TSA of cube is 600 cm square and TSA of cuboid is 610, which is smaller here. Cube is smaller, so you write 600 is smaller than 600 cm square is smaller than 610 cm square. That is TSA of cube is smaller than TSA of cuboid or cubical box, you can write TSA of cubical box, TSA of cuboidal box. Cuboidal box. How much it is? 610 minus 600 equals 10 cm square. How much it is less? TSA of cubical box is 10 cm square smaller than the TSA of cuboidal box. Cuboidal box.